Good morning to all. Welcome in lecture of Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering subject. In previous lecture, we had studied the electronics section, unit number 4. The name of unit number 4 is Electronic Components and Signal. In this unit, we had covered the topic of integrated circuit and assignment number 1 on unit 4. That is the discuss of assignment number 1 on unit number 4. In this lecture, we start the electrical section 1. Unit number 1, electric and magnetic circuit. It is for 8 marks and number of hours required to complete it 8 hours. Then in this lecture we are going to study the some electrical quantities which are related to the electric circuit. Which are quantities? What is the electromotive force? What is the electrical current? What is the potential difference? What is the electrical power? And what is the electrical energy? That is, what is the current, what is the voltage, what is the power, and what is the energy. These electrical quantities are related to the electrical circuit. Then first, what is the classification of material? The classification of material, 3 types of material. First, insulator materials. What is the insulator material? It has very high resistance and current cannot be flowing through the insulating materials. Example of insulating materials are mica, rubber, glass, paper, plastic, wood. What is the conductor material? The conductor material has very low resistance. The current can be flowing easily through the conductor materials. That is, the conductivity of conductor material is very high, resistivity of conductor material is very low. The example of conductors are copper, aluminum, atom. Then third, semiconductor materials. The semiconductor materials lies between the conductor and insulator. The example of semiconductor materials are silicon and germanium atom. Then what is an atom? The atom, the atom is the smallest unit of an element. It consists nucleus at the center. Nucleus consists proton and neutron. Then and this nucleus is surrounding by the orbit or shell. This orbit or shell contain the one or more electrons, is nothing but an atom. Then next, what is the nucleus? Nucleus consists proton which has positive charge and neutron which is the neutral. Proton and neutron found within an atomic nucleus. Then what is an electrons? Electrons has negative charge. It is located in the shell that surrounding an atom nucleus. The electrons in the outermost shell or orbit called as valence electron. That is the electrons contained in the outermost orbit. These electrons is called as valence electrons. Then electric charge. The atom consists proton, neutron and electrons. The symbol of electric charge is called Q, that is electric charge is denoted by Q. The unit of electric charge is coulomb, it is denoted by C. The charge in an electronics is minus. Why minus? The electron has negative charge. So, charge in an electron is minus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. The charge in a proton is 1.60 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Then electrical quantities related to the electrical circuit. First, electromotive force. What is the electromotive force? The force or which causes electron to move in a particular direction is called electromotive force. It is denoted by V, and unit of electromotive force is what? That is in this circuit. Here this is the symbol of DC source. This DC source is applied to the metal piece or conductor. Conductor consists large number of electrons. Electron has a negative charge. If this source is not applied to metal or conductor, then these electrons are randomly move in all directions. But if this source is applied, this external DC source is applied to this conductor or metal, then electrons are flow in particular direction. That is, the electrons are flow in particular direction. Electrons are attracted toward the positive terminal of external DC source. That is, electrons are move in a particular direction through the conductor, and these electrons flow due to the electrical force of and this external DC source. That is the electrical force which causes the electrons to move in a particular direction is called as electromotive force. Then next, what is the electrical current? The electrical current, it is denoted by I. The unit of electrical current is ampere. Then what is the electric current? The electric current is defined as flow of electron, flow of charge inside a conducting material, or flow of electrons through a conductor is nothing but a current. Then this is the external DC source applied to this conductor. Conductor has a conductor consists large number of electrons. Electron has a negative charge. Then there is two types direction of current. One is conventional current flow and another is the electrons flow. The direction of conventional current is always from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. That is, the conventional current is said to flow from positive side to positive end of battery to the negative end of battery or negative terminal of the battery, positive terminal to negative terminal. The conventional currents are flowing from the positive terminal of the external DC source to the negative terminal of external DC source. Then what is the electrons flow? The electrons flow the negative terminal of external DC source to the positive terminal of external DC source. That is, electrons are flow from negative terminal to positive terminal of external DC source, That is the direction of conventional current, and direction of flow of electrons is inversely proportional, it's opposite. Not inversely proportional, it's opposite. Direction of conventional current and direction of flow of electrons are opposite. Then next parameter, relationship between charge and current. What is the current? Current is also defined as flow of electrons per unit time. That is, how many electrons are flow in second. It is given by mathematically I equal to Q by T, where I is current in ampere, Q is charge flowing in unit of charge coulomb, T is time in second. Then what is the analogy between current and water? Here, control all. If control all release more, then more water flowing through the pipe. If control all release less, the less water flowing through the pipe. Like this, if more electrons are flowing through the conductor, then more current flowing through the circuit. If less electrons are flowing through the conductor, less current flowing through the conductor. In third, electrical quantities are potential difference or voltage. It is denoted by V, and it is measured by the voltmeter. Voltage is measured by voltmeter, current is measured by ammeter. What is the potential difference? The potential difference is the work done. What work done? Moving a unit of positive electric charge from one point to another point. That is the point A, point B. The charge are moved from point A to point B is nothing but work done. Voltage is also defined as the difference between the electrical potential. That is the VA and VB. The symbol of potential difference is V. Unit is volts. The potential difference between 2 points is given by VAB equal to VA minus VB volt. The potential difference is positive or negative. If VA is positive, sorry, VA is greater than VB, then potential difference is positive. If VB is VA is greater than VB is greater than VA, then potential difference is negative. That is, the VA is greater than VB, potential difference positive. VB is greater than VA, the potential difference is negative. Then what is the difference between the voltage and EMF? Then this is the voltage and this is the EMF. The sources of EMF are battery cell, solar cell, transformer, electrical generator. The sources of voltage is electric field or magnetic field. The electromotive force, EMF is electromotive force, is the amount of energy, amount of force supplied to a charge or electrons by a battery or cell. That is, this supply the energy to the electrons for flow. Due to this supply of energy of cell or battery, electrons are flow in a circuit. The voltage is the potential difference between 2 points which cause the current flow in circuit. That is, current flow in circuit, voltage measured between these 2 points. Then next point is electrical work. The electrical work, it is denoted by W. The electrical work is the work done to transfer charge, transfer electrons from one point to another. This is this point A, this point B, and transfer the charge or electrons from one point to point B in electrical circuit. The unit of electrical work is joules. It is mathematically can be given as W equal to Q into V joules. That is unit of work. The electrical work is joules. Equation number 1. But the current is defined as the flow of electrons, flow of charge per unit time. That is I equal to Q by T. Put in equation number 1, we get W equal to V into I into T, and unit of work with joules. Next, electrical power. Electrical power is denoted by P. What is the electrical power? The electrical power is defined as the rate at which electrical work is done in an electrical circuit. Electrical work is done in an electrical circuit. That is, this is the circuit. Then voltage is applied, current is flowing through the circuit, then current is flowing through also load, that is resistor, and current voltage is nothing but power. That is, the power is the product of voltage and current. The unit of power is watt. That is, power is measured in watt. It is denoted by P. Then another equation of power is also given by P equal to W by T. W is nothing but work done, T is time, P equal to IV, that is VI also, P equal to I square R, P equal to V square by R. Here P is power, V is voltage, I is current, R is resistance, W is work done, T is time taken for the work to be done. That is, time is taken for the work done to be done. Next, electrical energy. It is denoted by E. What is the electrical energy? Electrical energy defined as total amount of electrical work done in an electrical circuit. That is, how many electric work done in an electrical circuit with respect to time. The unit of energy is joule. Then electrical energy is given by mathematically E equal to P into T. That is the product of power and time. We can write it also in this way also, V into I into T. Then T is time in second, V is voltage in volt, I is current in ampere, and P is power in watt. Then this is the electrical circuit. This is the external DC source applied to the load, and this is the wire, and through this wire current are flow. That is, this load is required voltage current to operate it, to work it. Then electrical circuit concept. Here this is the wire, and through this wire large number of electrons are flowing. If large number of electrons are flow through the wire, more current are flowing through the circuit, more current are flowing through the conductor. If less number of electrons are flowing through the conductor, less current flowing through the conductor. Like this, here control wall, if more control wall release more water flowing through the pipe. If control wall release less, the less water flowing through the pipe. That is the next electrical circuit. Electrical circuit is an closed path for current. That is the, this is the electrical circuit, this is the electrical circuit. This electrical circuit applies the DC source, and this electrical circuit applies the AC source. Then current is flowing through the circuit, that is closed path. In closed path current is flowing, open circuit current is not flowing. That is the electrical circuit. This is the load, resistive load, it's connected in the circuit. Then electrical circuit for experiment. The circuit is made up from source, that is the external source, switch, then this is the load, lamp is used as a load, this is the conducting wire, electrical wire for to carry the energy. Every electrical circuit has four parts. First, electrical energy source, AC source, DC source. AC source such as light, fan, Then DC source, mobile charger. Electrical conductors are wires carry the electrical energy from source to load. Then electrical load, light, light bulb, heater, computer. Then electrical switches to control to turn on and off electrical energy being supplied to an electrical load or device. That is the